Welcome back to the second part of our times 4 lesson. Remember that you should have completed part 1 of our times 4 lesson where you learned how to double and double again, as that's needed in order to complete this lesson. So if I say a number like 6, you should be able to tell me that the double and double again for that is 24, because 6 plus 6 is 12 and 12 plus 12 is 24. Now we're going to put that into doing our multiplication fact. So let's go ahead and write that one down. 6 times 4. We're going to continue with our process that we've done before, which is we're going to mark the rule that we're doing with a circle. So we are using the 4 rule, and we're going to underline the number that has the action. So the action is on the 6. So this tells me that it's the 6 that I'm going to double and double again. As we just said, we do 6 plus 6 is 12, and 12 plus 12 is 24. Some students might need to jot down a little 12 just to help them visualize that 12 plus 12 is 24. And remember, you can look at this 1 and know, okay, I double the 1, and then you look at the 2 and you double the 2 and you get 4. So the answer is 24. And you just write a little tiny mini 12 to help you see the 24 if needed. Let's go ahead and do another one. Let's do 4 times 4. 4 times 4 equals, I'm going to go ahead and it doesn't matter which 4 I circle because I'm doing the 4's rule. And I'm going to underline the other number, which means the action is on 4. So I'm going to double and double again on a 4. So if I double 4, I get 8. And then if I double 8, I get 16. And that one, I don't need the extra little number because I know just in my head how to double the 8 and get 16. Let's do 7 times 4. 7 times 4. And again, we're going to circle the 4 because that is the rule that we're using. And we're going to underline the 7. So we're going to double 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. If you need to, you can write it down. And now you're going to double 14. 14 plus 14 is, go ahead and write it down or say it out loud. And you should have said 28. Doubling the 1, you get 2, and doubling the 4, you get 8. All right, let's give you one to try totally on your own. 3 times 4 equals. So we're going to circle the 4, and we're going to underline the 3. And go ahead and give the answer. You should have doubled 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Double it again. 6 plus 6 is 12. So 3 times 4 is 12. Let's go ahead and do another one. What about 4 times 8? So we're going to circle the 4. And notice sometimes I change the order. Sometimes it's 8 times 4. Sometimes it's 4 times 8. That doesn't matter. What matters is that I circle the rule I'm doing and underline the number that has the action on it. This is the one that, remember, that we said was a little bit trickier because 8 plus 8 is 16. And to get 16 plus 16, we have to remember our little song. 2 and 2 is 4. 4 and 4 is 8. 8 and 8 is 16. 16 and 16 is, do you remember it? 32. All right, that concludes our times 4 lessons. Go ahead and write out a bunch of times 4s and practice it. Do not do 9 times 4 at this time. Thank you very much.